Hi everybody, my name is Alejandro Cano Galeano, agronomy student of the UNAD. I'm from Marsella, where I live with my wife Alejandra and my daughter Sara. I work in the City Hall of Marsella. I like read the movies, football, and walk with my family. This video corresponds to the activity 5 of the English course, in which describe the last vacation on the beach and some recommendation. In February of 2012, I went to San Andres. I stayed there for 1 week and went with my wife Alejandra. I liked it because it was cheap, just paid 1 million per person, including stay, food, soft drinks, unlimited liquors, and activities like yachting, scuba, diving clays, and visit to the aquarium. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to Johnny Cay, the aquarium, and the Providence Island. The water in San Andres is warm, the sky stays clear, and the breeze is nice. Recommendation: as it's very hot, you should be careful with the sun exposure. You need to wear fresh clothes. Use sunscreen, sunglasses, and cap. Drink plenty of water and should be very careful with the luggage. The people in San Andres should visit the aquarium, protect the marine wildlife, respect other tourists, and protect yourself from the sun. Thanks.